Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make any text in outline in Adobe Photoshop. In Adobe Illustrator this is very easy to do, but in Photoshop this is little tricky. But by understanding the layer style you simply can do it. Let's try. First I am taking a new document. Let's write something on the stage. Maybe we can change the color of background. Let's write something on the stage. Let's say we write outline. I am enlarging the text to make it more stand out. Okay, let's go to layer menu, then layer style, then blending options. Now we have a layer style box. From here, under the advanced blending option, we'll make the fill opacity 0. Now you can see the difference, because after the making the fill opacity 0, the text already disappeared. I mean the fill color of this text is 0. If we add the stroke, then we can see only the stroke other than the fill color. Click on the stroke and immediately we can see the outline. From these options you can make it narrow to bold to bolder. By default the value is 3. We can make it 1, even we can make it 5, as you need. You can also change the color. The desired color you can set from this area. Also you can set the opacity from this area. Hope you can understand how the outline works in Photoshop. Thank you.